Hello everyone, this is Nitish. Welcome back to CodeXUp in the series of Core Java Programming Language. So guys, our topic for the today video will be difference between JVM versus JRE versus JDK. Okay, so first of all we will see what is JVM. Okay, so before going directly through linking compiling process of Java, first we must understand the process in C. Okay, so there is a file that is program1.c. In that there is a main file which consists of two functions. Okay, function 1 and function 2. Here program.c contains function 1 and program3.c contain function 2. Now this three file will get compiled with the help of compiler. Okay, and this compiler will generate the .obj file. So you can say that program1.obj, program2.obj and program3.obj. And this .obj file contains the machine code. After that, this .obj file will get linked with the help of linker to produce .exe file. That is an executable file. Okay, and now after that the RAM will loads this .exe file to show the output of the program. Okay, now next Java linking compiling process, same, only difference is that .java extension. Okay, there in C the file name was program1.c and here program1.java. Okay, now these three files get compiled with the help of compiler, same, but here the difference is this compiler will generate .class file. Okay, and in C we are generated .obj file. Here .class files are generated and these .class files are having a bytecode. Okay, now next Java architecture. So the RAM contains the JVM, and in JVM there are class loader. What does this class loader do? It loads this .class file into the RAM. Okay, and next the JVM bytecode verifier verifies the bytecode of .class file. After that the execution engines establish the JIT code generator to converts the bytecode to the machine code. Okay, so this is the overview of these three, JVM versus JRE versus JDK. You can see JRE is the combination of JVM plus library sets and JDK is a combination of JRE plus development tools. Okay, so JVM. So JVM is called as virtual machine 2 because it is physically existed in the system. It provides the runtime environment where bytes code get executed. JVM is available for many hardware and software platform as well. JVM, JRE and JDK are platform dependent because its configuration differs with respect to the operating system. JVM is a platform independent, we all know that. Okay, JVM also performs the following main tasks, that is it loads the code, verifies the code, executes the code, and it also provides runtime environment for the bytecode execution. Now next, that is JRE. JRE is Java runtime environment where it is a combination of JVM plus library sets. It is an implementation of JVM. JRE is a set of software tools which are used for developing the Java applications. Okay, JRE is a physically exist. To run any code, JRE is minimum required. Okay, I think it is clear. So next, JDK. So JDK is nothing but a Java development kit, which is a combination of JRE plus development tools. We know what is JRE, and here a development tools is nothing but a debugger plus compiler plus Java docs. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you have liked it. So guys, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel and do share with your friends so that they can too start learning the same core Java series.
Thank you.